morning, students. And so we are going to start degrees of comparison today. Okay, students? Till yesterday, we did a lot of work on tenses, passive voice, articles, tags, and subject verb agreement kinds of things. Now we are going to start degrees of comparison. Okay, students? So degrees of comparison. First I will give you one or two examples regarding degrees of comparison. First you put heading, students, degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. Write down. I am writing here, students. We use adjectives. We use adjectives in degrees of comparison. We use adjectives in degrees of comparison. We use adjectives in degrees of comparison. First, what is an adjective? What is an adjective? What is an adjective? Write down like this, students. We use adjectives in degrees of comparison. Next, what is an adjective? Okay, students, now you see. An adjective is a word. An adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or a pronoun which qualifies a noun or a pronoun. Which qualifies a noun or a pronoun. For example, Mohan is tall. So here tall is an adjective and Mohan is a noun. This tall word tells about Mohan. So it can be called an adjective because this adjective is giving some additional information about Mohan. This adjective is giving some additional information about Mohan. That's it. Next, it is a blue car if you say. It is a blue car if you say. Car is a noun and blue is an adjective. Car is a noun and blue is an adjective. Car is a noun and blue is an adjective. So a blue car we said. It is a blue car. It is a blue car. So here, the blue word is the characteristic of the noun. With the help of the word blue, we can identify the car there. Okay? Let us see another example. There are some cars, like there are some cars. There are some cars, like car 1, car 2, car 3, like this. 3 cars are there. You want to drive one among these 3 cars. One among these 3 cars is your friend's. Your friend has a car. One among these 3 cars, one car is your friend's. Among these 3, one car is Mohan's. Among these 3, one car is Mohan's. You want to drive the car of Mr. Mohan. You want to drive the car of Mr. Mohan. You want to drive the car of Mr. Mohan. So, how can you identify Mohan's car? So, you need the characteristic of that car. Then only you can identify that car. Then only you can identify that car. So how can you? One car is blue. Next car is red. Next car is thick red. So like this. 3 cars are there. So Mohan's car is blue. You want to drive Mohan's car. It is blue. Then you will take the blue car. Because car is noun and blue is adjective. That means with the help of this color, you can recognize the car of Mohan. If not, you cannot recognize his car. So this is. Write down that, students. Okay. Students, did you understand? Now let us go for the next one now. The next one. So, like this. Vijay is a clever boy, you said. So, boy is a noun and clever is an adjective. With the help of the word clever, you can clearly identify Mr. Vijay with the help of clever word, that means the adjective. You can clearly identify Vijay. Vijay is a clever boy. Like this, we use adjectives. Let us take another example. It is a dangerous river. It is a dangerous river. Dangerous river. River is noun. Dangerous is an adjective. River is a noun and dangerous is an adjective. River is a noun and dangerous is an adjective. That's it. Okay, students? It is a dangerous river if we write. Dangerous is an adjective. The characteristic of the river we can understand like this. We can say about adjectives. Now, we have to make the comparison among the adjectives. Let us see now. The comparison is like this. Like this. This is the first comparison. It is a small one. This is better than this. And this is still better than this. Like this, the comparison will go. Average one, bigger one, the biggest, like this. So, why should we compare adjectives? Because if we do not compare adjectives, we cannot yield the result. If we do not compare the adjectives, we cannot yield the result and we cannot understand the levels. So, like this. There are 3 comparisons like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 3 comparisons are there. 1, 2, and 3. 3 comparisons. With the help of these 3 comparisons, we can make the degrees of comparison. Now, let us write. If you just draw this as rough work, I will wipe this, my dear students. Please draw this as the rough work. Now, students, there are mainly three comparisons. Those are Those are one, two, three. First one, positive degree. Second one, comparative degree. Third one, superlative degree. Okay, sir. Superlative degree. So the positive degree is said to be PD, shortcut. The comparative degree is CD and the superlative degree is ST. Okay, students, positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Now, let us write PD, CD, ST. We'll number them like 1, 2, 3. One means only one. That's it. One person, if not one subject. That's it here. 2 means 2 subjects. That means 2 comparisons. 3 means, number 3 means 3 or more than 3 subjects. More than 3, any number of subjects. Any number of subjects. Like that. PD1 means 1 subject. CD means 2 subjects. SD means 3 or more than 3 subjects. 3 or more than 3, any number of subjects. Okay, students. Now let us write some adjectives. The formation of some adjectives. PD, CD, ST. In this rule 1, some adjectives form CD and SDs. CD and SD means comparative and superlative. By adding ER to PD, ER and EST, ER and EST to PD, positive degree. Some adjectives from CD and SD by adding ER and EST to PD. By adding ER and EST to PD. Okay, students, what are they? Let us see now. What are they? Let us see now. PD, CD, SD. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Sir, light, light. Tall, taller, tallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Bold, bolder, boldest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Kind, kinder, kindest. Young, younger, youngest. Great, greater, greatest. Write down these, my dear students. Okay, students, the second one, let us write the second one. PD, CD, SD. Rule 2 this is. Students, this is rule 2. In this rule 2, some adjectives some adjectives will form CD and SD by adding R and ST by adding R and ST to PD. Okay, students? R and ST to PD. Okay, students? Did you write some adjectives will form? CD means what, students? This is comparative degree and superlative degree by adding R and ST. Now, let us verify them. Now, PD, CD, SD. Now, you see brave, braver, bravest. You take now here to brave, we added R and ST. Fine, finer, finest. White, whiter, whitest. Large, larger, largest. Able, abler, ablest. Noble, nobler, noblest. Wise, wiser, wisest. These you have to write. Students, please write down these and we'll take the next step. Okay, students? Okay, students? Let us take the next one. Next, PD, CD, ST. We Some adjectives end with y. Some adjectives end with y will take IER and IEST to form to PD to form CD and SD. That's it. That you write down, students. Okay, students, now what are those words? PD, CD, SD. The words are happy, happier, happiest. Easy, easier, easiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Merry, merrier, merriest. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. You write down these, students. Okay, students, did you write? Okay. Let us take the next one, students. Some adjectives will form like this. PD, CD, SD. Adjectives will form like this. Red, redder. Here double D and ear. Reddest. Like this. Here, what you have to do is double D ER, double D EST. That's it. Big, bigger, biggest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Sad, sadder. Saddest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Write down those, students. Okay, students. Did you write? We'll go for the next one now. The next one. Some of them, some adjectives take more and most before them to form CD and PD. I'm sorry, ST. That is, students. Some adjectives take more and most before them to form CD and ST. To form CD and ST. What are those? Let us see. PD, CD, SD. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Industrious, more industrious, most industrious. courageous, more courageous, most courageous, like this. These you write down, students. Okay, students. And like this, we can write positive, comparative, and superlative degrees. And still, there are some rules in this, and we'll discuss tomorrow those rules. And the latter one, we have to make the comparisons, like how to change from positive degree to comparative degree, and from comparative degree to superlative degree, like this we have to change that transformation. It is called transformation of sentences. That transformation will be done in tomorrow's class. Okay, students, now I'll give you homework. Write today's classwork for 5 times as tomorrow's homework. Okay, students. This is students, and you write down this. Okay, thank you so much, my dear students. Again, we'll meet at 9 o'clock tomorrow. Thank you once again, students. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.